Have you ever stood in front of your refrigerator, feeling completely overwhelmed about what you can drink without worrying about your blood sugar spiking? I get it. Constantly having to monitor every single thing we put into our bodies can feel exhausting and restrictive. But here's the thing. Managing diabetes isn't just about avoiding sugar. It's about making small, powerful choices together every single day. And one of the most overlooked yet important decisions we face? What we drink. I know how frustrating it can be when some beverages quietly spike our blood sugar, drain our energy, or make weight management even harder while we're just trying to enjoy something that tastes good. Many of us stick to the familiar simply because we're unaware that better, science-backed options even exist. That's exactly why I'm here today. In this video, we're going to explore 5 expert-approved drinks that don't just taste great, they actually support lower blood sugar and better health. These are the same kinds of daily choices that can help you feel more energized, reduce those annoying cravings, and even lower your A1C over time. The small choices you make today could completely transform how you feel about yourself in the months ahead. Because you deserve a life that's not just healthy, but genuinely enjoyable and full of energy. So let's dive in together and find out which drink deserves a spot in your fridge starting today. 1. Green tea. You know that moment when you're craving something warm and comforting, but you're worried about what it might do to your blood sugar? Maybe you've tried cutting out your favorite drinks before, only to feel deprived and eventually give up. I totally understand that struggle. Let's start with something that might surprise you. Green tea. And before you think, boring, hear me out. Don't let its mild flavor fool you, because behind that soft, earthy taste is a drink that's quietly working to support your body in some pretty amazing ways. Here's what's really happening when you sip green tea. It's packed with natural compounds called polyphenols, especially catechins. Now, I know that sounds technical, but here's what really matters to you. These antioxidants help reduce something called oxidative stress. Think of oxidative stress like rust building up in your cells, and green tea helps clean that up. What does this mean for your day-to-day life? It may help your body respond better to insulin and keep your blood sugar steadier throughout the day. There's also this incredible compound called L-theanine that promotes calmness and focus without making you drowsy. And here's something that might really matter to you. It may help protect your brain health. This is huge because we know diabetes can increase the risk of cognitive issues over time, and frankly, that's scary for a lot of us. Now, I need to be honest about something many people overlook: the caffeine. While green tea has way less caffeine than coffee, it can still affect some people by temporarily raising blood sugar through stress hormones. If you're someone who's sensitive to caffeine or you're monitoring your glucose really closely, don't worry. Decaffeinated green tea still gives you all these amazing benefits without any unwanted spikes. Picture this. Instead of reaching for that afternoon sugary drink that leaves you feeling guilty, imagine having a warm, soothing mug of green tea. You're not just hydrating yourself, you're actively reducing inflammation, potentially protecting your brain, and supporting healthier blood sugar levels. It's like giving yourself a gentle hug while taking control of your health at the same time. Look, green tea isn't going to magically fix everything overnight. But when you make it a consistent part of your routine, it becomes one more way you're choosing to take back control naturally, and without feeling like you're missing out on something good. Now, I'm excited to share something that might really surprise you. It's drink number 2, and it's something many of you probably have every single morning, but you have no idea just how much of a game changer it can be for your blood sugar. Let's dive in. 2. Pomegranate juice. Imagine waking up every morning knowing you have to carefully watch your blood sugar. It can feel overwhelming and exhausting, right? But what if I told you that something as simple as a small glass of 100% pure pomegranate juice could be a gentle ally in that daily battle? At first glance, pomegranate juice might look like just another fruit juice on the shelf, but this ruby red liquid is much more than that. It's packed with powerful nutrients that work quietly behind the scenes to support your body, especially when it comes to managing blood sugar levels. Pomegranate juice is naturally rich in polyphenols, those amazing plant compounds that act like little warriors fighting inflammation and oxidative stress. What's really special is the variety of these compounds, including anthocyanins, flavonoids, and phenolic acids. Together, they help your body respond better to insulin, the hormone that controls sugar in your blood. Imagine your cells finally able to absorb glucose more efficiently, preventing those dangerous highs and lows that leave you feeling drained or anxious. Research shows that drinking pomegranate juice can improve insulin sensitivity, which means your body can handle sugar better. And because inflammation can make insulin resistance worse, the anti-inflammation properties of pomegranate juice give it a powerful edge in keeping your system balanced. Now, picture this. Starting your day with just a small 4-ounce glass of pure, unsweetened pomegranate juice. It's naturally sweet and refreshing, a perfect little boost without overwhelming your system with too much sugar. That small serving contains about 15 grams of natural sugar, so moderation is key. But unlike many other fruit juices, this one doesn't just satisfy your taste buds, it supports your metabolic health. Here's the best part. You don't have to drink it every single day to see the benefits. Adding pomegranate juice a few times a week, combined with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, can make a real difference over time. It's about making simple, manageable changes that build up to better insulin function and less inflammation. If you or someone you love is navigating the challenges of diabetes, remember, small steps can lead to big victories. And sometimes, a small glass of ruby red juice can be a delicious symbol of hope, health, and taking control of your well-being. 3. Prune juice. Living with diabetes is a daily journey filled with challenges, managing blood sugar, keeping inflammation in check, and protecting your heart. It can feel overwhelming, and some days might leave you wondering if simple, natural solutions can really make a difference. That's where something like 100% prune juice quietly steps in, offering more than just a helping hand for digestion. Prune juice often flies under the radar, but it's packed with powerful benefits that can support your body in ways you might not expect. Beyond its well-known role in aiding digestion, prune juice is loaded with anti-inflammatory antioxidants called polyphenols. These little compounds act like silent warriors, helping to reduce the chronic inflammation that can make managing diabetes so much harder. One of the biggest stars in prune juice is its natural fiber content. Think of fiber as the unsung hero in your digestive system, a traffic controller slowing down how fast sugar enters your bloodstream. This means fewer blood sugar spikes, more balanced energy, and a calmer gut. In fact, just a 4-ounce serving of prune juice offers about 2 grams of fiber, alongside essential vitamins and minerals like potassium, which help keep your heart healthy, a crucial part of diabetes care. But the benefits don't stop there. Research suggests that the antioxidants and phenolic acids in prune juice may improve your body's insulin sensitivity. This means your cells can better use the sugar in your blood, helping you maintain steadier glucose levels day by day. And with diabetes increasing the risk of heart problems, the fact that prune juice may help lower blood pressure makes it an even more valuable addition to your routine. Of course, prune juice contains natural carbohydrates, about 20 grams in a 4-ounce glass, so mindful enjoyment is key. Pairing it with a source of protein or healthy fat, like a handful of almonds or a spoonful of natural peanut butter, helps slow sugar absorption and creates a satisfying, balanced snack. Imagine starting your morning with that small glass of prune juice and a few nuts. It's a simple, delicious ritual that supports digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and even protects your heart. It's a small step, but one filled with hope. A reminder that managing diabetes isn't just about restrictions, but about embracing nourishing choices that empower you every day. Next up, we're switching gears to a drink you might be surprised to learn supports blood sugar control. It's comforting and often overlooked, but definitely worth trying. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future tips on managing blood sugar naturally. And if you have any questions or something you're struggling with, drop a comment below. I read every one, and I'm here to help. 4. Red wine. Living with diabetes means constantly managing your health. But it doesn't mean giving up the simple pleasures that make life enjoyable. For many, a quiet evening with a glass of red wine can be one of those little moments of joy, a chance to relax, savor, and feel a sense of normalcy. The good news is, when enjoyed in moderation, about 5 ounces, red wine, can actually fit into a diabetes-friendly lifestyle. Red wine is rich in a natural compound called resveratrol, found in grape skins and also in foods like peanuts and berries. Resveratrol is more than just a fancy word. It's a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent that has been studied for its potential to protect the beta cells in your pancreas. These beta cells are the ones responsible for producing insulin, the hormone that helps regulate your blood sugar. Keeping these cells healthy is crucial for managing diabetes effectively over time. But that's not all. Moderate consumption of red wine has also been linked to lowering blood pressure and cholesterol, 2 important factors to watch for people with diabetes who face a higher risk of heart disease. This means that your evening glass of wine could play a small, supportive role in protecting your heart health. Of course, it's important to understand that red wine doesn't directly lower blood sugar levels. It's never a replacement for your diabetes management plan, medications, or a healthy lifestyle. And as with any alcohol, moderation is the key. Drinking too much can actually raise your blood sugar and interfere with medications, so it's essential to be mindful. Now, picture this: the soft glow of evening light, the gentle clink of a wine glass, and the comfort of a balanced meal. That moment of calm with a single glass of red wine can be a way to enjoy life without compromising your health. It's not about restrictions or fear, but about balance and making choices that honor both your well-being and your happiness. Remember, this isn't a free pass to indulge without limits. Always check with your healthcare provider before adding alcohol to your routine, especially if you take diabetes medication. But when enjoyed responsibly, a moderate glass of red wine can be a tasteful part of a lifestyle that supports your health while still letting you enjoy life's little celebrations. Up next, we'll move from fruity to creamy as we look at a drink that surprises many with how well it fits into a diabetes-friendly lifestyle. Stick around, you won't want to miss it. 5. Smoothies. Smoothies are incredibly versatile, letting you mix and match ingredients that work best for you. Think about leafy greens like spinach or kale. They're not just green. They're little powerhouses of antioxidants and fiber that help slow sugar absorption. Add berries, which bring a natural sweetness along with their own potent antioxidants, and you've got a flavorful, healthful punch in every sip. Throw in seeds or oats, and you're adding healthy fats and extra fiber, creating a smoothie that supports steady blood sugar levels and keeps hunger at bay. One favorite is a mango and spinach smoothie, a beautiful blend of tropical sweetness and nutrient-dense greens that feels like a treat and fuels your body at the same time. But here's the key. While smoothies can be a fantastic choice, they can also be high in sugar, especially if they're made mostly from fruit juices or sweetened yogurts. To keep things balanced, it's important to add protein and healthy fat. A scoop of protein powder, a cup of non-fat Greek yogurt, or a tablespoon of peanut butter can stabilize the sugar release and help you feel full longer. Picture this: the silky texture of your smoothie, the bright flavors waking up your taste buds, and the knowledge that this small ritual is a powerful step toward managing your health. It hydrates, nourishes, and supports your blood sugar in a way that feels both practical and enjoyable. It's not about strict rules or feeling deprived. It's about making smart choices that fit your life and give you more energy, more control, and more hope. Many people living with diabetes share how smoothies have become a favorite part of their day, a moment of calm and care amid the busyness. They say it's empowering to know that something so simple can make such a difference, helping them stay on track without sacrificing flavor or enjoyment. So, if you're looking for a tasty, easy way to support your diabetes-friendly diet, smoothies might just be your new best friend. With a little creativity and attention to ingredients, you can craft drinks that feel like a treat but deliver real benefits. It's a small change with the power to make a big impact, one delicious sip at a time. Making smarter drink choices doesn't mean giving up flavor or enjoyment. It means learning how to nourish your body while still feeling satisfied. Each of the drinks we explored today brings its own set of unique benefits. from supporting insulin function to reducing inflammation and balancing blood sugar. Now keep in mind, it's not about drinking all 5 every day. It's about knowing your options and choosing what fits your lifestyle, your body, and your health goals. Start small. Maybe add a smoothie to your morning routine or swap your afternoon soda for a calming cup of green tea. And if you found today's tips helpful, don't stop here. The next video dives into top 8 best habits to stop frequent urination at night, nocturia. If you've ever wondered why your levels jump unexpectedly, that video is a must-watch. Your health journey is a daily one, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Click through now, and let's keep making smarter choices together. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.